Hi, this is Gail. I told you we were going over here to Bird Nest, but there's something in there, and he just called me a name and told me to face him. You want me to come in there? Do you want me to come inside? You want me to come inside? Do you want me to face you?
You know what word they called my mama? Tell them.
A bad name.
Some freaking spirit, a man just came up and called
If
my...
you want me to come in, I'm going to come in.
A spirit called my grandma.
He said, all right, okay, let's go. Open it up, Hunter. I'm coming.
All right. Hope there's no YouTube guidelines. Come.
Wait, I'm coming.
Did you hear that one that say come by like that?
All right, I'm in. Okay. What is it? What you want me to face? I'm here. Come on out. I'm here.
There's my uncle right there looking around.
Okay, I'm here. Point it over that way, huh?
Hello?
Hello? Oh, I hear your voice. Where are you? Where are you? Hey, that's a child. I'm right here.
Tree. I heard tree.
Tree? What tree?
Which tree?
Which tree?
Hill. Hill.
Hill. Where's that at?
Can that be a hill? There's a steep part right there. Oh, and that little hill? In this little hill?
Right here? You shouldn't call me them dirty names. Oh, Johnny.
What?
Oh, what's that?
What?
That box. What is that?
Guys, let's go check it out. Follow me.
What is it?
Check and see there's this. Yeah, I'm filming.
Oh, it's an aquarium.
Ah, I got spider webs in my eyes.
I hope y'all hear all the fireworks going on everywhere.
It's New Year's.
It's New Year's Eve.
Here comes 2025.
Okay, I'm here. Now what? I'm inside. Now what? Where are you? I don't see you. Let me see if I can feel you. Good.
Why is the camera lenses being like zooming in and out by itself?
I don't know. Something over there, huh?
I heard a thump from back there.
Okay, I'm here. Where are you? Over here, huh?
Do you feel anything? Put on your thing.
What thing?
Your color thing, your EMP.
I got it. Right here. Touch it. They touching it too. Look. Wow, you must be close by. Where are you?
Is it away from the phone?
Yeah. Wow. It's really close by. Look at that. Where are you?
You heard Gayla?
Yeah, that's my name. That is my name.
And now there's an elderly woman. Hello?
Look, I want to say something. Haunted Falls, I know you got in a car wreck. I just hope you're all right. And this is coming from me, okay? I'm going to text you later, okay? All right, bye. All right.
Wait, Haunted Falls got in a car wreck?
Yeah.
Is she okay?
I don't see nobody.
No.
I don't know what he called me that name for.
Oh, you stupid.
What'd he call me that name for, Hunter? and told me I won't face him. I'm here to face him, and where is he?
I have no earthly idea, Momo.
Oh, but he's around, look. Look, y'all.
What?
He's around. See? Ain't no phones or nothing
My
around.
camera is blurring out.
Something is wrong. Oh, he's over here. All right, I faced you. You ain't got nothing to say. I already faced you now. You ain't got nothing to say. You gonna say hello to me?
Hello?
Say hello. Oh. Don't do that.
The power will be turned off?
There's a Christmas tree over there.
A Christmas tree.
Over there?
Yeah.
Wait, let me do...
All right. Well,
Let me
then
tease
we're
them.
gonna go, okay? All right. Bye.
Wait,
But anyway, I want to say Happy New Year's. All right.
You can't stay with us. You can't go with us.
No, you gotta stay here.
Stay
You didn't want
here.
to talk to me. I went and faced you.
that's fair to say, oh well.
Oh well. Oh well, huh? Okay. Oh well.
Honey, you got like these eggs.
Huh?
I told Honey you got like these eggs.
Look at this, y'all. You gotta stay here. You can't come.
Keep y'all's butts in here. Be careful. I'm gonna shut the gate and y'all guys don't harm me.
Now look at this, y'all. Look at this.
Okay, viewers. Oh shoot, I stepped in an ant pile. Hold up, guys. Almost there.
Look, Connor. I told him to stay here. Look. It ain't moving.
Thank God. Alright, tell them to say goodbye.
But I done did.
No, the viewers. Right behind you.
Okay, I'm gonna say goodbye. I told you I was gonna come out here for a little bit. Oh, there'll be many more this year coming for us, me and Hunter.
Mm-hmm.
So, there was somebody called me a bad name in there and wanted me to face him. When I went in there and he just said, "Oh well." But maybe I'll come back and get him, huh?
Yeah, we can go back.
Okay,
again.
bye y'all.
Bye,
Happy
everyone.
New Year.
Happy New Year.